up on Inimba this week, Hlathi is going to humiliate Lazarus in the worst possible way, crashing the AGI summit and exposing Masikritska Lazarus that he is infertile and that Ubavumile is not their baby Nozolega. They lied about it and kept Bavumile away from him in front of his colleagues and all the media platforms, embarrassing them and exposing Khusela from all this scrutiny. Lazarus then is not backing down, reminding Hlathi ukuthi he can do whatever he wants, but he will never be half the man he is. Qhawe does not see him as a stepfather, and uLikamva sees him as a hero, of which uLikamva does not even see Hlathi like that. So obviously, Lazarus is a better man than Hlathi will ever be. And afunge Lazarus ukuthi yazini uHlathi will regret saying what he said about me, exposing that I'm infertile to everyone like that. And he's going to make sure of it. And it seems Mr. Shea is also backing off from helping Hlathi, leaving Hlathi all alone in this mess because he's scared. Female kaNgcukana is very influential, so he does not want to find himself on the wrong side. And then Lilian, it seems Lilian is not back for a good cause. She is actually out to get or to revenge Lazarus for whatever happened between them in the past. And she's not really liking the relationship between Lazarus and Zolega, because when Zolega called Lazarus my love, she actually frowned, showing some disgust or something, because she's probably jealous of that relationship, because she even tried speaking Zolega into leaving Lazarus, because Lazarus only looks up for himself. Uzomenza the same thing that I yenze yena, which we don't know what he did to her. And then Lilian teams up with Sydney Zondo because she believes they've got one common enemy, which is Lazarus. Not knowing Lazarus, Sydney only looks up for himself. He's probably uzomgila naye. It might even take a cyber attack for himself. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. I'll keep you posted for the rest of the week. Thank you for watching. Bye.